Getting away to uni can initially feel like quite a daunting experience, so here's a few handy tips to help you make friends while you're there. So, tip number 1 would be to join a sports team or a society. It's a fab way to get to know like-minded people with similar interests, and most sports teams hold things like classes, either competitions or even weekly socials, which again are a fab way to get to know people outside of that specific sport or society. For me, I made friends for life when I joined Hull University's dance sport team, and I'm still in contact with all of them now, even though some of them have now left uni. And tip number 2 would be to join some course or accommodation group chats. It's a great way to get the ball rolling and just sort of start those contacts, whether it just be learning people's names and having a casual chat about things like your favourite food or why you're doing the course. The next tip is literally as simple as introducing yourself to some people that you meet. Someone needs to make the first move there, everyone's in the same boat and everyone's nervous, so I'm sure they'll be really grateful that you started a conversation with them. And last but not least, why not go along to some of the events in Freshers Week that Hull University are putting on. The Students' Union put on all sorts of things like nights out at the on-site club Asylum, they run little craft classes, and of course the sport Give It a Go sessions. Again, a great way to meet some new people.